Hi friends, welcome. I hope everybody is well and I hope you guys are staying warm. We've had some cold, snowy weather here for a week and a half or so, just a little bit of snow, nothing major, but it's got me in the Christmas spirit. And I've been crafting up a Christmas storm. So I wanted to let you guys know about a series I'm going to be doing called A Homemade Christmas. And in this series I'm going to be doing some tutorials. Some videos may just be for inspiration, and I might do some cooking videos. I'll just see where inspiration leads and just go from there. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some ideas for decorating up these little sleds. And I'm sure you guys have seen these around for a long time. They're just made with the popsicle sticks. And I bought the popsicle sticks at Walmart. And I used the regular size and some of the mini ones to put this together. And if anybody would want a tutorial on how to put these together, I would be happy to do one, but there are videos here on YouTube and other places on the internet. But as I said, if you would like me to do one, just let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to do that. So anyway, the paint that I used is just a cheap acrylic paint from Walmart, and I used some Mod Podge for the sled bottom, for the seat, and for the cross piece up there. And I just sprinkled on some crystal glitter. And it just gave it that icy, cold look. I just love how this one turned out. Now, for the decorations on this one, I used some floral picks from Walmart. And I just clipped some little pieces off of the floral picks, and just some mistletoe and berries, and some ice crystal picks, and some jingle bells. And so I hot glued those on. And then the little rope up there is just jute twine, and I tied knots in that and just hot glued that on. And as I said, I'm just really happy with this one. Now, you guys can look around your house and your craft room and see what kind of decorations you can come up with. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy anything. You can just use what you have. Maybe take apart some old decorations from last year. There are a lot of ways to decorate these up. So there is that one. And then here is another one I've done using the mistletoe and berries, and I have tied that one up with some baker's twine and just hot glued everything on. This is one that just has a sticker on it and a jute bow, and it's just pretty plain, but nevertheless it's pretty. And this is one that has a sticker also. And the bow here, here on the cross piece, I put some Aleene's tacky glue, and I put some of that crystal glitter on. And then the bow is made from this fabric. I just ripped a piece of the fabric and let it fray and made the bow and hot glued it on. Now this is one that I've used some holly berries and holly leaves. And I just cut some holly leaves down so that they would fit better on, the little sled. And I think this one turned out pretty cute too. The holly leaves, as you know, are pretty big. And so for a small project like this, if you use them, you'll probably have to cut them down unless you do find some picks that have the smaller leaves. And then the next one up. I think I'm tangled up here. Here we go. Okay, now this one is just some holly leaves and some pine needles there that I clipped off a little spray. And then there's a pine cone, and the bow up there is just one that I made. Just made a double bow and hot glued all that on. And then this one is just some mistletoe leaves, some jingle bells, and a jute bow. Then the next one, I really like this one. It's just, I put a rope across it, just some of the jute to make it look like rope. Hot glued it across the tree, and, to make it look like it's tied on there. And I call this one Bringing Home the Tree. It's like somebody's been out into the forest and cut the tree down, and they're going to take it home and decorate it. Then the cross piece there just has some mistletoe and berries on that. So I think it turned out pretty cute too. I'm pretty happy with all these, and I hope you guys are inspired to make some handmade decorations this year. And these are good for the kids to make too. So if you have kids, give them some stickers and, a few things and see what they can come up with. Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So hit that subscribe button and be looking for some videos coming up in the next day or so in the Homemade Christmas series. So until next time, you guys be blessed and happy crafting.